Weeks now, many Nairobi city dwellers are experiencing acute water shortage. In Hairas Estate, the situation is wanting. And now residents claim that water cartels have taken over the precious commodity and that the shortage is purely man-made. KTN's Emmanuel Tor reports.
At Hairas Estate in Nairobi, there is a high rise in cost of living. For weeks now, these irate residents have had a low water supply, yet at a higher cost.
Sometimes you are being given water in 10 minutes without pressure, then the water just cut off. So we have tried to follow up the water points in the estate to see what is happening. And we have realized that there are serious cartels who are colluding with the Nairobi water guys to deny us water so that we buy water.
Residents claim that a cartel is working tirelessly to cause the shortage. They say this is a carefully calculated ploy to force them into buying water from vendors.
The same water we are buying are not the clean water from Nairobi water. They are being drawn from Nairobi River. And we have children, and this time of corona, we need to wash our hands, we have to be clean. And
water here costs an arm and a leg.
Tunanunua maji saa zingine inaenda mpaka 100 hapa. Utatumia zaidi ya 10. Lazima uko na choo, uko na watoto na nene.
Hii maji ya SUA hususan sana, maji kipotea hata hapa Hairas. Sisi kama watu kuuza maji pia huwa tunaathirika sana. Manake maji kikuja karibu, pia sisi tunapatanga maji karibu. Na maji kipotea Hairas kabisa huwa tunatoanga maji mbali sana, Kenyatta huko juu kabisa.
Those being accused of engineering the shortage, dismissing the claims.
Hello, Collins. They've been alleging that you have a hand in the water shortage in this area. What do you have to say about that?
I think that is not true. Personally, I don't work for Nairobi Water. If they have evidence, I could use the authorities there.
According to Nahashon Moguna, the acting managing director Nairobi Water and Sanitation Company, they are launching an investigation into the matter, and he had good news for the dwellers.
Yes, we are going to investigate. We are going to address it and know what is causing it, whether our staffs are involved, and we take the necessary course of action accordingly. We are going to skew the rationing program. We make sure that section which has not been getting water, they get water tonight.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow.
So they are going to have water tonight.
But what they want is a lasting solution.
Hizi matank zilitengenezwa na taxpayers' money. I being one of them. Sidio, why don't they revive this whatever? Na hiyo itamaliza kila kitu.
For weeks now, many parts of Nairobi County have been experiencing an acute water shortage due to natural calamities. Athi Water Works Development Agency is currently implementing emergency works to repair the extensive damage on the Sasumua-Kabete pipeline that supplies approximately 61 million liters of treated water per day to the city of Nairobi.
It is a problem that is slowly becoming a crisis for the residents in Hairas Estate, and are now calling upon the officials who are involved to come in and salvage the situation before it gets out of hand. Emmanuel Tor, KTN News, Hairas Estate, Nairobi.